Hello everyone, thank you for watching this channel. The name of this program is Real Channel. This channel is a motorcycle video that introduces exotic bike. My name is Liao as your guide. I'm here today to introduce Ducati Panigale V4 Speciale to you all. Not V4, it is V4 Speciale. Why it is called R? V4 Speciale is originally a wet clutch, but this time I installed STM Evo Superbike dry clutch by the hand of Moto Corse, a world-famous Japanese custom builder. So this bike got a soundtrack of MotoGP machine. Then I would like to show you the reborn V4 Speciale R. Please give a warm round of applause. V4 Speciale are the iconic Ducati Superbike racing sound. Let's hear the exhaust sound right now.
V4 Speciale is a 1100cc bike. On the other hand, V4R is a bike less than 1000cc. That's why Speciale R seems to be similar to the sound of V4R, but different. It has a thick sound in the middle. STM dry clutch which offers several advantages. Greater sweep effect even with the most aggressive dances typical of track use. In addition, the engine will remain clean because the impurity from the friction material of the clutch do not enter the lubrication circuit.
Aircraft Beach Mayfair, Magazine Forged 4. STM Evo Superbike dry clutch. The complete the perfect V4 Speciale R. See you on the track.